Optimize the performance of dictionary membership for a list of keys. I am trying to write a code which should return true if any element of list is present in a dictionary. Performance of this piece is really important. I know I can just loop over list and break if I find the first search hit. Is there any faster or more Pythonic way for this than given below? Edit, I am using Python 2.7. My first preference would be a faster method.
Use of built-in ini can have some performance edge over two loops. But you might need to measure your mileage. If your list and dict remains pretty static and you have to perform the comparison multiple times, you may consider using set. Note Python 3.x by default returns views rather than a sequence, so it would be straightforward when using Python 3.x. In both the above cases you can wrap the result with a bool to get a Boolean result. Heretic note. My curiosity got the better of me and I timed all the proposed solutions. It seems that your original solution is better performance-wise. Here is the result. Sample randomly generated input. The test engine. I rewrote the test part of the answer as it was messy and the answer was receiving quite a decent attention. I created a tiny compare Python module and moved it onto GitHub. The test result. and a graphical comparison from the above referred module. Conclusion. Premature optimization is evil. It is evident that none of the solutions have optimal performance when the test domain varies. Depending on population size and frequency of iteration, performance of solutions varies considerably. The result again speaks out about the fact that in Python, one should ensure that the code should be readable rather than ensuring that the code is either nifty, optimized for performance for certain cases, but then it may not be scalable. Note there were some doubts on why not using a filter performs better than the rest. In Abid's answer, he timed the different approaches and found that a filter/next was not the fastest. Any idea why this would be the case? It is a known fact that in Python, there is an overhead when calling C functions, and if the population size is low but the frequency of iteration is high, the accumulation of C function call overhead would slowly show up. As can be seen in the graphs, where population size is low but iteration is high, using a filter, performance deviates considerably.
The cleanest and fastest way is to use any editor tools. A filter. This code uses a bound method. Sumdig __ contains underscore as the predicate. The filter iter tool lazily scans for a true result at C speed. The any built-in drives the filter to find a single matching occurrence or to return false if the iterator is exhausted. You could also use itertools.imap instead of a filter.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.